To calculate the correct size circuit breaker needed for an air conditioner, if the tonnage is known, along with the voltage and phase, you can convert tons to kilowatts and then to amps. Let's use the example of a 7.5 ton AC unit 220 volts AC 3-phase. Firstly, convert tons to kilowatts. 1 kilowatt is approximately 3.412 tons. Therefore, 7.5 tons multiplied by 3.412 kilowatts per ton is approximately 25.5 kilowatts. Secondly, calculate amperage. For 3-phase AC units, the following formula can be used: current, denoted as I, equals power, denoted as P, divided by the quantity of the square root of 3 multiplied by voltage, denoted as volts, multiplied by power factor, denoted as PF. Assuming a power factor of 0.9, the equation becomes I equals 25.5 kilowatts divided by the quantity of the square root of 3 multiplied by 220 volts multiplied by 0.9. I is approximately 64.27 amps. Thirdly, determine the circuit breaker size. Circuit breakers are typically rated in standard amperage values. The next standard amperage value above the calculated amperage of 64.27 amps is 70 amps. Therefore, a 70 amp circuit breaker would be appropriate for 7.5 ton AC unit 220 volts AC 3-phase. It's important to use the correct voltage and phase information for the specific AC unit. Always consult with a qualified electrician to ensure proper installation and safety. Circuit breakers should be sized to provide adequate protection for the electrical circuit and prevent overheating or damage.